Get a good grade. Unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that's especially relevant for students. Get a good grade. Understanding this phrase is key to academic success, so let's explore its meaning and usage together. Get a good grade is a phrase often used in educational contexts. A grade is a measure of a student's performance, typically represented by letters A, B, C, D, F, or numbers. When someone says, "Get a good grade," they're encouraging you to achieve a high score in your studies or exams. It's a way of wishing success in academic performance. Grades are important as they reflect your understanding and mastery of a subject. They can affect your future opportunities, like getting into a good college or qualifying for certain careers. That's why getting good grades is often emphasized by teachers, parents, and peers. 1. Stay organized. Keep track of assignments and deadlines. 2. Study regularly. Don't cram. Instead, study a little each day. 3. Participate in class. Engage with the material and ask questions. 4. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for assistance from teachers or tutors. 5. Practice good time management. Balance your study time with other activities. While striving for good grades is important, it's also crucial to understand that grades are not the only indicator of success. Excessive pressure to achieve high grades can lead to stress and anxiety. Balance and well-being are key. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "Get a good grade," and its significance in the realm of education. Remember, while grades are important, they are just one part of your learning journey. Keep studying, stay curious, and most importantly, take care of yourself. See you in the next video.